Attention, passengers. We have just entered British airspace.
I'm sorry, sir. Any tea or biscuits will have to be collected for the safety of the crew and passengers.
Oh, no worries. Man, I still can't imagine 2 weeks without my chai. David, baby, what's wrong?
No! Why? He should be in the quarantine bay!
I didn't know. He told me his family was Pennsylvania Dutch. He said his mother was from Manchester.
Manchester is in England, you stupid woman! You've doomed us all. You've doomed us all.
The lean white bear hath seen it in the long, long Arctic night. The musk ox knows the standard that flouts the northern light. What is the flag of England? Ye have but my bergs to dare. Ye have but my drifts to conquer. Go forth, for it is there.